In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up data in Freshdesk. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to get a clean export of your help desk data in the format that suits you best. This walkthrough is ideal if you're setting up routine backups, migrating systems, or simply need a snapshot for auditing and compliance. You'll want to be signed in with administrator privileges, since only admins can request a full account export. First, open Freshdesk and head to the admin area. From there, go to Account, then select Account Details. Think of this section as your hub for high-level configuration and organization-wide settings. If you manage multiple workspaces, double-check you're in the correct account to avoid exporting the wrong environment. On the Account Details page, look to the right sidebar and click the Export Data button. This is the official built-in export tool designed to package your account information. When you trigger an export here, Freshdesk gathers your core data, such as tickets, contacts, companies, and other relevant records. So you have a structured backup you can store or use elsewhere. You don't need to keep the page open. The system will handle the heavy lifting on the back end. Next, you'll choose your preferred format, XML or JSON. If you're planning to feed the data into analytics tools, scripts, or modern integrations, JSON is often the easiest to parse and widely supported in development workflows. XML, on the other hand, is highly structured and can be better for systems that expect hierarchical documents or legacy integrations. If you're unsure, JSON is a safe, flexible default. The choice doesn't change what gets exported, just how it's packaged for other tools to read. After you confirm the export, Freshdesk will compile the data and send a download link to the account administrator via email. The time it takes can vary depending on how much data you have. Larger accounts may take longer to process. Keep an eye on your inbox. The email will include a secure link to download your export file. For security and compliance, treat this link and the downloaded file as sensitive and follow your organization's data handling policies. Links may expire after a period, so it's best to retrieve the file once it arrives. That's all it takes. Navigate to Admin, use the Export Data tool, pick XML or JSON, and then download the file from the email sent to the account administrator. With this process, you've got a reliable, repeatable way to back up your Freshdesk data.